For those of you not from Buffalo, I just want to give you a little sneak peek of what we've seen out here. Path to my garage. I built steps so I can see the neighborhood. Up the steps. We're looking down at the roof of my cars, my trucks. Tip top of my fence. Can't even see my fence over there. And I'm standing on a snow mound. That's my roof. I'm standing right next to my roof. And I had to dig a path to the street from my house and all the way up the street. I was out here earlier. The workers found a car underneath them, buried. They had to stop what they were doing and dig out the car so they could plow the road. They had a scout going out looking for cars. It's out to the main road here. There's a car over there buried. They couldn't get out of the way. It was abandoned. And about 4 of them down there abandoned. My house is all the way over there. I dug a path all the way to the street, over to the next neighborhood to go get food. A couple of people have died in their homes already because they couldn't get to them. Slippy. There's my little tunnel to my house. I was able to find my car. I was originally standing on top of it. There it is. Snow steps to the roof, path to the road.